Hi, my name is Lauren Angius. This is Tom Dooner, and Alina down the ground is going to be pressing the button for me because she knows the slides. And we're here to present OpenDisclosure Oakland. And OpenDisclosure Oakland is a partnership between Open Oakland, which is the Code for America Brigade in Oakland, and the City of Oakland Public Ethics Commission. And as you guys all are aware, it is that time of year again where it's campaign season. And I'm sure all of you are as sick and tired of political ads as I am, but you have to wonder where all the money is coming from. So all these political ads are very expensive, and that's a question we had last year when we came up. Our team was discussing the Oakland mayoral election coming up actually tomorrow. And we wanted to look at the local campaign finance and discover a little bit about that. Well, we've discovered that it's not very easy to find out where to find local campaign finance data. So I'll take you through pre-open disclosure. This is how you would go about finding campaign finance data at a local level. Okay, you would go first to the City of Oakland's campaign finance portal, which here's the homepage for it. And you would go to the endless drop-down menus if you wanted to choose. You'd choose an election, and then you would look for a candidate if you knew the candidate you were looking for. You'd find that candidate, say incumbent mayor Jean Quan, and you'd click on that candidate. And then you would come up to a screen like this. And this screen is followed by 3 more screens that look like this, with absolutely no description to tell you what all these forms mean. They just have numbers. So these numbers, if you knew that the form 460 was what was going to tell you information about contributions and campaign expenditures, then you would click on it and find a PDF document that looks like this. It's 50 pages long, and it only covers one filing period, which is just several months. So you go through all 9 schedules of it that might look, these 9 different schedules are very accounting like in the type of document they are. And this is kind of reaction you get. I work at the city, and this is the type of reaction I get when I try to talk people through how to get this campaign finance data, and even trying to describe how to compare different candidates. It's very difficult. So our team thought there must be a better way to work on a solution to simplify campaign finance data. So I'll hand it to Tom, who will discuss how we went about doing that.
Hey, so I'll cover a bit of the technical process, I guess. So our main goal is to make the data understandable by the average person who doesn't have a background in campaign finance analysis, as most of us probably don't, including myself before this project. But we use an extract, transform, load process to take, next slide, the data from the state in these zip files and PDFs and all this stuff next, and dump it into Socrata, which is an open data platform run by the City of Oakland. And next one. So this is a spreadsheet that is the result of our ETL process, that each line in the spreadsheet is a contribution to a candidate. And so just getting to this point is way better than having to trawl through so many PDFs and just all that data, all those forms that have names that you don't know. So anyway, each line is a contribution, but it's still not very interesting. It's still hard to get the numbers out of it that you really want to know. So next slide, enter OpenDisclosure. So this is our website, opendisclosure.io. Check it out, it's cool. You can see these are the candidates running for mayor of Oakland, and the column that's highlighted is their most important number, in our opinion, how much total money that they've raised. And we have a lot of other numbers, a lot of other charts, a lot of other graphs, and to describe some of them, toss it to Lena.
Hey guys. So how do we make this data more accessible to the general public? What are the important questions that we need to ask? Next. So is the money local? When did candidates start collecting contributions? Which contributors have given to multiple candidates? And maybe most telling, who is funding themselves? So our group really spent a lot of time exploring these questions and also deciding the best way to visualize these questions to tell the geographic story, money raised by zip code using maps, the funding timeline, line charts of the cumulative campaign contributions shown over time, as well as who are the sources. So breakdown of contributors by candidate, by source. Oh, sorry, one back. Go back. Sorry, guys. So on the candidate pages, the numbers that matter, candidates' current financial status. So on a candidate page, total contributions minus expenditures show the available candidates that, the available balance that candidates are working with. And with all that, with that information, we really wanted to move forward with a clean and intuitive design that is flexible for editing and adding future information and charts and navigable by the user. This layout also considers possible evolution of the site to scale to include other state elections. And on that note, I'm going to pass it back to Lauren.
Yeah, that's why we're very excited about OpenDisclosure, because every candidate and committee in the state of California has to fill out the exact same forms. So every municipality in the state of California is collecting the exact same data in the exact same data schema. So the scalability of an application like this, it's very highly adaptable to be redeployed in other towns and counties and even at the state level. So we are currently working with other CFA brigades in the Bay Area and Sacramento to work on further developing this platform. And we look forward to check it out, opendisclosure.io, and check it out on GitHub and help us out. Thanks.